still up. It's August. Well, it'll be Christmas time soon. So I just thought I'd do a tour of my office where I do all my drawings and speed paints and makeups and all kinds of things. So here we go. So this is my computer station. This is my Cintiq Pro, and it's a little mishmash right now with the wires and everything. But this is my microphone. It is a Samsung, and the little screen broke, the pop screen, so I gotta fix that. There's my Asus, my laptop, my printer, office supplies, and then my markers up here so when I do my drawings. And then a little picture of me and my husband and my son, our dog. Down here is actually a drafting table or drawing table that I got at Marshall's, and I never was able to actually use it because my desk was never big enough. But now I have a big L desk. Ooh! See, all the markers that are in here. These are the smaller markers. And then pencils, and then these are the bigger ones. It's a collection of Copics and Prismacolors and Artist Loft and anything I could find that was the color that I needed at the time. Over here is kind of the storage area. I have a second monitor that I'm gonna be using for some twitchy stuff once I figure it out. But so here is some photo boxes that actually look like suitcases, and inside of them is pictures and prints and actually set up for my con stuff. So a lot of the stuff for cons is actually out, but I've been using it as kind of decoration. This is actually a display for all my 5x7 cards. But I just decided to put a lot of art that I've collected over the years until I can figure out what to do with them. But this is some really cute stuff that this Peter Pan was given to me as a gift from that artist. Gosh, I don't know his name. I think it was Michael. He was very, very nice. Him and his wife, they would come to the cons all the time. This was a commission that I had done of sorry, I zoomed in. So this was a commission I had done of my OCs of Ray, Jamie, Naomi, and Blake, and then back here is another commission of my OCs, Jamie and Naomi, and then another one of Jamie. It's the most beautiful thing that's ever been drawn. I got this one at LeahyCon. I don't really remember where I got this one from, but it's so cute. So it says 2004, so it might have been AFO. It might be one of my neighbors. A lot of the times, one of my con neighbors, will do an art swap. I'll draw something for them, they'll draw something for me. This was done at New York Comic Con. I know because it's supposed to be a drawing of me, 2009, when I was dressed like Saber. So, and then over here is my own art of sketchy sketches. Okay, so that's my OC's Blake, and then Blake Gray, Jamie and Naomi, Jen and Jennie. More Jamie Naomi. This is actually from our wedding, me and Randy's wedding. It had an Indiana Jones Sailor Moon theme. Yeah. Let that sink in. So up here I got some art that I've bought. Obviously you can see some themes of a lot of pin-up-y stuff, or specifically Peggy Carter and Doctor Who. And then this is Garrus. This is my space boyfriend. And I love him forever. And here's what I named my little puppy after. Sit. What a good boy! So this is some of my leftover sewing stuff. So back here is a lot of storage of sewing stuff because I don't really sew a lot, so it's kind of in the back. This is an old 1900s sewing table, but all my sewing stuff is in there. I used to be a seamstress, and I used to make costumes, but I don't as much anymore. On top is my serger, and then under there, hiding down there, is my sewing machine. So it's kind of all tucked in the back. On the wall is all of my jewelry and hair stuff. And then here is my vanity with all of, I have just way too much makeup. And then over here is my some of my cosplay stuff and my palettes and my makeup. And then I'm gonna start moving a lot more of my hair stuff in here until I can find a better place. This is my voiceover stuff. So my voiceover screen is hiding down there, and then the suitcase with the microphone. And my little storage areas. So they have not a little block, but notebooks and sheet protectors. That's what I used to put my art in. Printer paper, electronics, all of the puppy stuff. So that's that. Over here, we got more con stuff that I need to find a home. Most of it's probably just gonna live in my car. And then just kind of like knickknacks. It's stuff from other jobs that I've had. My Disney pins, which I use on my lanyard. All my little Anastasia things, like my favorite movies growing up. And then over here, some more like collectibles. I have all my name tags. And the floor. And then of course a corgi, ein, and the gas. And then these are phone like covers for old phones. They're just so cute. I can't get rid of them. And then and here's really cool. This is a hair fascinator that was made for me of Kansashi of the colors for my wedding by my friend for my hair. And then this is actually my bouquet, and it was all Kansashi and then a little bunny for the moon. And I thought it was really like creative, and I thought I came up with something called a flat bouquet, but apparently that is a thing. And I was like, oh, I'm so smart! I created something. No, I didn't. It's a thing. I need to find a better place to put that stuff. And then we'll go to more of the art on the wall. So this was done with a commission. This was, I think, an art swap from one of my neighbors. It's just a really cool fashion plate that I found once. I bought that at New York Comic Con. I got this at MegaCon, I believe. Oh no, it's coming up! This is from MegaCon. This was a commission. And then more of my OCs. So we got Jamie, and Naomi, and Blake, and Ray, all done by Kitsune, and she's amazing. This was done at New York Comic Con. It's Ray. This is from my wedding. And then this was another one I think I got at MegaCon. And yeah, I just like collecting art. Anywho, I am going to be streaming later, so I'm going to go do that and draw some chibis. And yeah, so this is my office. And it looks really cool. Before it looked like it got exploded, but now it looks really, really good. So, see you later. Bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow.